today is our Max Control system, which is available from your dealership today. What I have here, though, is a video game controller from Razer. So what we did was added the ability to have joysticks and basically all the buttons that you would need to operate your machine right here on your controller. So that way you can use your Max Control with your gloves on, in rain, snow, with dirty conditions, it doesn't matter. It's gonna give you much more comfort when operating and give you the ability to always keep your eyes on your machine at all times. So with the Max Control, that gives us a range of about 100 meters. And again, you can do everything that you'd be able to do in the cab. We can run all of our hydraulics right here as well. We can change our Bobcat, swap out connections, do all that. Additionally, on the back of the tailgate here, we have 2 radar sensors. And what those do is whether I'm using my Max Control or I'm in the cab, I can configure it to either stop when an object is behind the machine, it can slow the machine down, and then it can also just provide alert to the operator inside the cab. So again, whether I'm using this with my Max Control or whether I'm in the cab, you have that extra layer of safety to make sure your job site is as safe as possible and to give that extra boost of confidence to the operator and especially assist maybe some of those novice operators that haven't had as much experience operating machines. So this is kind of just phase 1 of what we want to do, but eventually with radar sensors, we want to include those on autonomous equipment. So whether it's a loader or an excavator, maybe a 0-turn mower, we want to make sure that we have these radar sensors on those because they will serve, again, as that extra layer of safety when using autonomous machines. So I'm just going to give it a quick spin. Come forward here. Can throttle it down again. I have my bucket float on here as well. So I'm going to drop this up. And there's your float. So for light grading, any finish work like that, again, you can still have the same abilities you have in the cab today, just with your gaming controller.